Finally, our top folding wagon cart for camping is the BEAU JARDIN. This unit is built with high-quality alloy steel to ensure optimal durability. It comes highly recommended for carrying loads on the beach, as it has 7x4-inch thick wheels that are strong and built for rolling through sandy places like on the beach. It is even coated with an anti-rust material to prevent corrosion. This is why it outlasts other folding wagon carts for camping that you'll find on the market. When it comes to strength, this unit is one of the best, thanks to its capacity of up to 300 pounds. So when you have a heavy load to move, this will be a reliable choice. Additionally, something that keeps buyers coming back for more is its excellent customer service. If you ever need to contact them with a complaint about your cart, they respond within the shortest possible time. This gives much greater peace of mind when making a purchase. Finally, with this unit, you can bring a couple of beverages with you wherever you are on the campsite, because it features 2 mesh pockets that are the ideal size for water bottles, thermos flasks, and cans. So if you've been looking for a more convenient way to get gear from your truck to the tent, this is the cart for you. Its pros are, it requires no setting up, it is excellent value for the money, and it has a long-lasting design. However, it lacks a wheel brake. The BEAU JARDIN is an advanced folding wagon cart for camping, carrying heavy loads of sports equipment and strolling with your kids and pets. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.